Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Hyundai i30. It's the 1 litre petrol, and we've got engine management light on. Revs are alright, there's no loss of power in this case. It may be in your case, but in this case it's not. And we've got P003000 HO2s heater control circuit bank. Now I'm going to show you where this sensor is and what you can do. So long story short, let me just switch the engine off as well. It's a bit noisy. Ignition now. So this is your sensor, guys. Here, this is the sensor we are needing to change. Now it goes, I mean, if you take the engine cover off, which is this here, it's really easy. I would not allow anyone to touch it other than yourself. It's not hard. Personally, I'd get an OEM original sensor because they do packing. It's not a case of bad fueling or anything. They just do packing sometimes, and it's a way of just like changing the sensor, really. You can buy the sockets online because it's not difficult. The socket's about 6-7 quid plus a ratchet. All in all, 12-13 quid for the ratchet and the socket. And then the sensor itself, maybe 50 quid, 60 quid. I'm not sure. I'm just, you know, randomly guessing. But I would recommend OEM original sensor. Get it, fit it on. Nothing. You don't need anyone else, really. And I'm using the ThinkCar scanner, so it won't clear, of course. Well, if it does, we're lucky, but I've not plugged it in. But reality is, once you get it, plug the new one in, and you can reset as well. There we go. And you can reset the adaptions on here. So you've got special functions, and then we will reset. You can do like, there's many things you can do, to be fair. I'll have to go into the engine section, but I'm not going to faff around with that as of yet now, guys. But you can reset the adaptation, the mass airflow sensor, the other values of the vehicle, and this will reset everything and then just take it for a drive. But even that, you don't even need to, if you ask me. Just do a full scan and clear and move on and enjoy.